Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Flowmaster FlowFX Active Valve Direct Fit Muffler kits for most popular trucks. So be sure to check out our website for different applications available. These new FlowFX kits allow you to go from mild to wild with just a flip of a switch on these key fobs. These direct fit muffler kits feature a mandrel-bent stainless steel construction leading into a power chamber followed by a round FlowFX performance muffler that easily connects to your factory tailpipe. The power chamber houses a wireless control valve with a large 3-inch turn-down dump style tailpipe, letting everyone know who's the boss on the street once it's activated. Other system features include an actuator motor, control unit, 2 wireless key fobs, all necessary wiring, hardware, and detailed instructions for an easy at-home installation. So again, if you're looking for a mild exhaust system and just a flip of a switch go to an aggressive exhaust system, then be sure to pick up the new Flowmaster FlowFX Active Valve Direct Fit Muffler. Now we're going to get one installed in our test vehicle, so let's hear the difference. So if you're looking for horsepower and torque gains with an aggressive exterior and interior sound level without voiding emissions or voiding your factory warranty, then this system is for you. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.